Unlocking home insurance saving, the 12 expert tips and tricks for comprehensive coverage and cost efficiency in 2023. Rising home construction costs in 2023 have set the stage for challenging 2023. Factors like supply chain disruption and labor shortages have led to a 15-year high in construction backlog. While the housing market may face short-term challenges, homeowners can proactively secure their investment with their revamped tips for home insurance in 2023. Adapt to rising construction cost. Option for home insurance with extended or guaranteed replacement cost coverage to absorb unexpected spikes in rebuilding expenses. Companies like AIG, Job, and Lemonade offer such coverage, ensuring your dwelling insurance keeps pace in construction inflation. Stay afloat with comprehensive water damage coverage. So recognize the risk of flood. Only 15% of homeowners have flood insurance. Consider policies from National Flood Insurance NFIP or the private market. FEMA's new prices system may bring a reduced rate for NFIP policyholders. The combat water damage with smart solution. Invest in water leak detectors for the early warnings and potential home insurance discounts. Strengthen your home against storms and explore additional coverage for risks like sump pump failure and sewer backup. Beware of natural disaster gaps. Understand that standard home insurance may include common disasters like floods or hurricanes. Tailor your coverage with endorsement or separate policies for specific risks. Consult your insurance agent to navigate complex limits, exclusions, and deductibles. Number 4 is the take inventory for personal property protection. Assess personal property coverage by creating a detailed home inventory. This not only expedites insurance claims but ensures maximum claim payments. Don't let old items like clothes, electronics, or sentimental decoration when determining coverage needs. Amplify liability coverage. Prioritize liability coverage with your home insurance policy. This safeguards agent legal expenses in case of lawsuits related to injuries or property damage on your property. Purchase enough liability coverage to protect your assets or consider an umbrella insurance policy for added security. Climate of uncertainty. These revamped tips offer a concise guide for homeowners to navigate the evolving landscape of home insurance in 2023. Explore the smart house upgrades. Leverage technology to enhance home safety and potentially lower insurance cost. Installing security systems, smart doorbells, and fire alarms not only protects your home but may also you eligible for insurance discounts. So understand the deductibles and policy limits. Familiarize yourself with the deductibles and policy limits in your home insurance. Choose deductibles that align with your financial comfort level and ensure your coverage limits adequately protect your home and belongings. So bundle policies for savings. Consider bundling your home insurance with other policies such as auto insurance. Main insurance offer discounts for bundled packages, providing an opportunity to save in overall insurance cost. So regularly review and update the coverage. Life changes, and so should your insurance coverage. Regularly review your policy to ensure it aligns with your current needs. Factors like home renovations, addition, or changes in personal property should prompt adjustment to your coverage. Shop around the competitive rates. Don't settle for the first quote you receive. Shop around and compare rates from the different insurers. Online tools and independent agent can help you find the most competitive and tailored home insurance for your situation. Consider a specialized coverage. Evaluate the need for specialized coverage based on your location or specific risk. For example, if you live in an area prone to earthquakes, adding earthquake insurance may provide crucial protection not included in standard policies. Maintain a good credit score. Your credit score can impact your insurance premiums. Maintaining a good credit score can lead to lower rates as insurers often use credit information to assess risks. As we navigate the complexities of home insurance, incorporating these additional tips ensures a comprehensive approach to safeguarding your home belongings and financial well beings.